and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we're making a homemade strawberry topping. You can put this strawberry topping on anything. Homemade strawberry topping with a hint of vanilla and lemon. So for our ingredients, we have our strawberries, which we have cleaned and cut up. We have sugar, vanilla, lemon juice, cornstarch. Simple ingredients. In a saucepan over medium heat, we're going to add our strawberries and our sugar. Now we're going to mix this until the sugar is dissolved. And what you want to do, you want to mix your cornstarch into your lemon juice. And then you want to pour that on the top of your strawberries. Next, we're going to add in our vanilla. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Then you want to reduce it to medium heat and simmer sauce until berries are softened and the juices have thickened slightly. This takes about 5 minutes. So you can turn it off right here. About 5 minutes, this gives you a chunky topping. And then you can let it simmer for longer, which just to give you a little bit of chunks, but more of a saucier strawberry sauce. You want to heat your mixture until it starts to boil, and you want to stir often. Then you want to reduce your heat. We're going to add this sauce to our strawberry shortcakes, which will be coming up in our next video, so stay tuned. But today we made a fresh strawberry sauce. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.